Hello and thank you for joining me. This is Brian Larson with Rockwell Trading, and today we're going to go over the home study course chat room trades that we had during the week of March 1st through March 4th. And again, you can feel free to join us every Monday through Thursday, 9:15 to 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So a lot of trades this week that we had, and a lot of reports coming out as well. I wish I had enough time to go over all of our trades this week because we had plenty to capitalize on. But I'm going to start off with just a couple of my favorite trades this week. We'll cover ping pong, boomerang, and simple strategy. And we were actually able to hit all four of our markets this week, which was a great advantage for us to have. So I'm going to start on Monday, March 2nd, and no reports coming out this day. We had the total vehicle sales coming out all day long, not a real big factor in our playing today, so we're able to really capitalize on these trades. So the first trade that came out this morning was a ping pong towards the short side. We can see our MACDs crossing over, our RSI starting to get down towards a 50 level. A great opportunity for us to start to see this trend start to push right back down towards our lower Bollinger Band. So as we start to push towards those lower Bollinger Bands, we set up a nice little trade here. First entry came in at 1120.50, where we're able to go short and then able to catch a nice full profit ping pong here for 2 points. And so we were able to knock out a $100 trade right away, and that's why it started to be a good day on Tuesday. Again, we had another opportunity come in. We still were trying for the short side as we continued to move closer and closer, and we grabbed a ping pong again to the 1950, again to 1825. Now, some of our students opted to go for just a Seahawk here at 19 even, just to grab in a little bit more profits. And then once again we saw this nice reverse come into our market. We got right to our moving average. We decided, you know what, let's try out for one more. As we started to move towards our upper Bollinger Band, we said let's go short once more. Again, we started to see the RSI come back down. This bar actually started about 20 minutes before our chat room ended, and again, if you held that into lunch hour, you still had a nice profit there. But we actually ended up getting out at a Seahawk right before the chat room ended for another nice $25 profit. So again, those were our trades for actually Tuesday, March 2nd. Let's go over to the YM actually for a nice trade set up on Thursday. Okay, so I know I said YM, but I'm actually going to start with the G6 because I really like this trade and I don't want to overlook this trade at all. We had a really nice setup. This is actually going to Wednesday on the 3rd, and we did have some reports coming out, the non-farm unemployment change and the ISM manufacturing, that we really wanted to be careful about, and then also crude oil as well. But after a pretty slow day and we just kind of going back and forth, we saw a really nice trend start to come into the market. After all our reports have been said and done, we saw a real nice trend starting with our MACD, RSI getting our nice confirmation. The dollar actually starting to drop off here. And we were able to enter into this market here at 82, and our profit target going all the way up to 23 ticks and grabbing our profit here at 37.05. So we did take a little bit of heat coming back and forth, but we were able to grab that full profit of 23 ticks. Now, there were some people that did not get into this trade right away, and we actually had a nice boomerang trade in here as well. So again, another entry here at 82, and then our profit target right up at 96 here, and we opted to go for, just in case this market were to turn around again just like it did on this last bar, we opted to get out with a little bit of Raleigh insurance. Instead of going for 15 ticks, we went for 14, and we locked in that profit target. So the first simple strategy trade netted you about $287.50, and this boomerang trade got you about $175 there for those two trades. So really great trading day on Wednesday to make up our lack of trades really going in on the ES and YM. So now let me stay true to my word and go over to the YM for you. Alright, here we are on the YM, and this is on Thursday, March 4th, and again we saw a really nice trend coming in. We did have a couple reports, unemployment claims pre-market, But the big one we were waiting for that morning was the pending home sales, and that came out real negative, and you can see that nice little drop off we saw later on. But the first thing that came in, we saw a nice push, and we decided to skip this simple strategy trade, mostly because of this Bollinger Band flattening out, and just really that momentum was not there. So what we decided to do is wait for a possible boomerang trade. Again, here's that arrow signifying that our RSI is above 70. We have a nice trend of our MACD, and we pull back. The arrow is no longer there. That is our signal bar, and our entry bar would be right here at 17. We were able to enter in. Now, a couple of ways we played this. Some students stayed in all the way till the full profit, all the way up to 33. However, in the room, we were getting close to that pending home sales. It is a red report, so I decided to jump out with 10 ticks profit, and about 5 minutes or about 10 minutes or so before the report come out, just because we did see earlier in the week a little bit of the push right before report, and we didn't want to get stuck with that and have that possibly turn against us. But if you waited just a couple more minutes, 3 or 4 minutes after, you had your full profit target there for a nice boomerang trade. So again, now we have a really good setup and a really good setup in the bonds, which we don't really get too often. So I'm really excited to show you guys this trade. All right, here's the bonds, and again, we really don't get these big moves like we get in the bonds, but recently we've been getting some pretty good action here. This bond trades came in on Thursday as well, and we saw a nice push with our MACD RSI coming from about the 50 level all the way right up to 70, and we saw a nice RSI confirmation, a touch of our Bollinger Bands, and we were able to enter into our market here at 21. And again, our profit target's fairly small, but only 4 ticks. But we were able to grab our profit target here at 25. And it was a fairly quick trade. Usually we wait a while for these bonds to actually get something going. But we were able to lock in a nice profit there of 4 ticks, which is $125 there as well. So overall, a really great week we had, and again, a lot of patience is what we talked a lot about in this room this week. Was patience, letting the market come to us and give us those good trades that we really want to see during the week. So again, hope you enjoyed the video. Hope to see you in the home study course chat room and joining us every day through the week, and really enjoying in the profits and making trading fun. And that's what we're here to do. So hope you enjoyed the day and hope you enjoyed your week trading. We'll see you for another fun week again on Monday. Have a great day. This is Brian Larson. Have a great day.